today we are going to talk about normal distribution. Normal distribution is a function that represents the distribution of many random variables as a symmetrical bell-shaped graph. The larger the standard deviation, the more dispersed the distribution becomes. Properties of normal distribution. The distribution curve is bell-shaped, as you can see. It has symmetrical or equal sides. The mean, median mode meet at the center, and it has an asymptotic tail, where the tail doesn't touch the x-axis. The area of the normal distribution is equal to 1 or 100%. Empirical rule of normal distribution. 68% of the data lie within one standard deviation of the mean. 95% of the data lie within two standard deviation of the mean. 99.7% of the data lie within the three standard deviation of the mean. To get areas under normal distribution, we will use a z-table. The first column is the z-values, and the top column is the 100th place of a z-value. For example, find the area that corresponds to z equals 1. We will first look at the whole number and its 10th place. In this case, it is 1.0. Then, we will look for the next number, the 100th place of a z-value, which is 0. Where they intersect is the area that we are looking for, and it is 0.3413. And that is how we use a z-table. Another example, find the area that corresponds to z is equal to 1.13. We will again look at the whole number and its 10th place, which is 1.1. Then the next number in the 100th place of a z-value, which is 3. Where they intersect is 0.3708, and that is the area of z is equal to 1.13. Another example, determine the area under the standard normal curve between z is equal to 1.03 and z is equal to 0.37. Take note that the number has the same sign, so we will automatically subtract its areas. But first, we will get the area. 1.03, using the z-table, we will get 0.3485, and 0.37, we will get 0.1443. We subtract the 2, and we will get 0.2042. Another example, determine the area under the standard normal curve between z is equal to negative 0.52 and z is equal to 1.05. Notice that the given has one positive and one negative. So in this case, we will add its area. Again, we will first get the area of negative 0.52, which is 0.1985, and 1.05, which is 0.3531. We will add the 2, and we will get 0.5516. Using a calculator, we can use it to easily compute standard normal distribution. For example, find the area of the standard normal distribution between z is equal to negative 0.52 and z is equal to 1.05. First, we need to input this formula in our calculator. Don't forget to shift the pi, use alpha e, and square the x. And always remember that the z1 is the smaller and the z2 is the larger. Don't misplace the two. So if we input in the calculator, it will look like this. In just one click, you will be able to get the answer without needing to get the area of the two given. Thus, the area of the standard normal distribution between z is equal to negative 0.52 and z is equal to 1.05 is negative 0.23464. Thank you for listening, and here are my references.